Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Settings because Subscriptions live on your Apple ID. Tap your name at the top, then choose Subscriptions. This lists everything billed through Apple. Once done, scan the list for the app or service you want to cancel. Subscriptions are grouped by app and expiration. Make sure to note the next billing date shown under each item so you know whether you'll keep benefits until then. If you don't see a subscription, check other Apple ID you own. Next, tap the subscription entry to see details, price, renewal date, and active trial information. You do this because some subscriptions auto-renew or require cancellation before the free trial ends. If you see multiple plans, choose Change Plan to switch instead of canceling. Once you decide to cancel, press Cancel Subscription and confirm when prompted. This stops future charges but typically keeps access until the period ends. If you changed your mind, resubscribe from the same screen. Finally, confirm the cancellation and write down the expiration date shown. You usually retain service until then. Once confirmed, look for an Apple receipt email that names the Apple ID charged. This verifies which account handled the payment. If you don't see the subscription or the cancel button, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID because subscriptions tie to specific ID. If problems persist, restart the device and contact Apple support while citing the subscription.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.